How to recover your Xbox account and play on Linux. To start, open GNOME Software. Type X Streaming in the search bar and download X Streaming Desktop. Feel free to drop a comment if you already like this app. Once the download is complete, launch the X Streaming app. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't panic. Just restart your device, then launch the app again. I had to do it a second time myself, and after that, it was good to go. Now, enter your password or your Microsoft account details into the X Streaming app and confirm. Once that's done, boom! You've recovered your Xbox account to play your games. But there's a catch. For those who don't have an Xbox Game Pass subscription, you won't be able to access the games. You'll see an error message pop up. But otherwise, your account is properly connected. I can confirm that. I tested it in the past when I had my subscription and everything worked 100%. So I highly recommend getting the Xbox Game Pass subscription so you can enjoy all your games and the offers Xbox provides. I also tested all this on another PC. I restarted it and it's the exact same thing. As you can see, the app offers all the necessary options: graphics rendering configuration, GPU performance, etc. Everything is there. It's up to you to tweak your own settings. For my part, as I often mention in my videos, I'm on relatively slow hardware, so I can't push the performance to the max. I also ran the test on Ubuntu. The interface you see here isn't my main computer. On Ubuntu, the result is the same. I enter my account, confirm, and I'm showing clearly that without the Game Pass subscription, you don't have access to the games. Alright, we're done, and we've covered everything you need to know for this quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video massively if it helped you understand how to recover and use your Xbox account on your Linux system. I'll see you very soon for another video. Ciao, ciao!